To manage email address on MyFitnessPal app. In this way, you will get notifications by your email according to your schedule. Firstly, open MyFitnessPal app, move to the profile. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Click on this mark. Now click on edit profile and you can see here email. You have to change your email address from here. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.